Hello, I'm making a video how to install mini outdoor split AC. So this is the outdoor unit, and I'm inside there's a ceiling mounted indoor unit. So there's a lot of videos and it's kind of confusing. Some people are using this core removal valve, like this type of core removal valve, and actually these are not always necessary, because if you are not charging your line, then only do you need, because you can flow the refrigerant through this line into the tube, into the copper tube. But if you're just using the refrigerant that is inside your outdoor unit, you just use this type of gauge. The problem in this type of gauge, it does not keep the pressure, the vacuum. Exactly, this minus 30 comes immediately as soon as you turn it on. So I initially I use this gauge to check if there is any leak in the tube. So I got I got 500 micron after like 5 minutes of pumping, and then I pumped for 20 minutes. I got like 160 micron, and then I turn off the pump, turn off the valve, and see how long this vacuum is holding. It was holding more than 30 minutes, and it goes up to 350 micron. So I test the leak test using this pump, but while you're doing the coolant into the tube, you might not use this pump, because in that case you have to put the core inside it. So when you're putting the core inside it, it's really difficult whether the core will get stuck or it will not seal properly. So instead of removing the core, you don't need to remove the core from this area, because your coolant is coming from here and it's going on this side. So just keep the core inside, it's more safe. So you don't need a core removal tool if you're just using the refrigerant from the outdoor unit. Core removal tool is needed when you are adding refrigerant externally.